discuss about the numbers, no? Up to how many learn now? 0 to 10, no? In that you learn before number, after number and between numbers, no? Shall today we continue the up to 11 to the above numbers, no? Now you write here. Here. Again, once I write here the numbers. Just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, what's the number? 11. Very good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here no numbers. Then about 11 to 50. Today we learn. We discuss about that before, after, and between. Okay now? Now see the children here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 after what's the number comes? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like this 21, 22. You know the numbers now already. Now, so in these numbers we discuss about the before number. First we learn about the before numbers. So you know here I go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. See the no? Before. See then. Okay. See. Here I write no. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. What here I am to count in the forward or backward? Backward I am counting, no? See here. 9 before what number comes? 8. 8 before what number comes? 7. 7 before? 6. 6 before? 5. 5 before? 4. 4 before? 3. 3 before? 2. 2 before? 1. And 1 before? 0. No? This is the format you practice this format. No? Now, here the before numbers. Before numbers. Now, here I already know this. 8 before what comes? What number comes? 8 before. You already know what the number here no? 8 before means the previous number. Before means it's the previous number. Here what is that? 8 before 7. See here. 8 before what number comes here? 7. No? You write here 7. Next. Here see there. No? Here see that which number comes 2 before. Before means the previous number only. No? You already discussed. No? So here before number what? 2 before what number comes here? 2 before 1. Very good. 1 comes like that. No? Now here see this. Here. I'll give the you already 0 to 10. Now here I'll give the 2 digits number. What is 2 digits number? Here what is the number here? 13. No, what is the number? 13. Here 13 before number, how to write? No, you don't know. You simply know for the 0 to 10. But here I give as the 2 digits number here, 1 and 2. No. So what is the number? 1 and 3, 13. No, the number is 13. Here 13, how to identify the before number. Okay, no children? See here. In the tens place here 1, no. The same number you repeat here. Here 1 is there, no? 1. Okay, you put 1 here. No, here 3 is there. No, is 3 before what number? You see that 3 before what number? 2. No, so here you put the 2. So 13 before what comes? What number comes? 12. No, see there 13 before what number comes? 12. Next, here I'll give another number. Here. So the what is the number here? 16. What is the number here? 16. No? The same number. 1 we write here the same. Here, what is that? 6. No? Here 6 before what number comes? See that here this format 6 before 5. So you write here 5. So 6 before number, 16 before number, 15. What's the number? It comes 16 before number 15. Now let's see. Here what is the number? 18. What is the number? 18. No? 18 before what comes? See. You 1 put right here. 1 as is like this. No? Then here what is the number? 8. 8 before what number comes? What number comes? See here format 8 before what comes? 7. So, here 7. See here, no? 18 before number 17. See here, no? I'll already see here. 1 stands here. 8 before. See the previous number. 8 before what number? 7. Next, 2 before what number? 1. 13 before number. See the 13 before number? 12. See. 16 before number? Here 16 before 15. 17 before, 18 before, 17. Like this you write the before numbers here, no? Now I'll give us 0 concept. The 0. See here. Here I'll give the 20. What is the number here? 20, 20. This here 20. What have to do? Here I do the 0 number. See here. This here see that 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, you are counting reverse counting here, you know. So this here the 0, no, this 0 will, these 2 numbers will be changed. Here see that 16. Here we write 16. The 16 before number we write as is 1 here, and here 16 before number we write here 15. No, but here this is the 0 numbers except like zeros. The number ends with 0. The number ends with 0. No, the 2 numbers will be changed. The 2 numbers will be changed. Once I am repeating that, the 0, with any 0 number ends with 0, the 2 numbers will be changed. How I will show you here. No? Here see this 2 before what number? What 2 before what number comes here? 2 before what numbers comes here? 1. No? Now write here 1. Again like this, no? 9, 9 before 8, 8 before 7, 7 before 6, 6 before 5, 5 before 4, 4 before 3, 3 before 2, 2 before 1, 1 before 0. Like this it will be repeat. No? See the, no? It's repeat like this. No? So 0 will be changed as the 0 will be changed as a 9. The 0 will be changed as a 9. See or no? No, see here no? Here no? I'll give you. No? See this? 20. See the 0 here. 2 will be changed. 2 before number 1. And the 0 will be changed as a 9. See here no? The same concept this will be repeat like that only. No? Means the number which is ends with 0. The 2 numbers will be changed. Remaining numbers, the same number you write here, but the 3 before you write like 2. Here there is no, the same number you write here, no, but here 6 before number you write as a 5. But except this 20 or 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this. These are all and with the number 0, no? What? These are the 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These are all. These numbers are and with 0. These zeros numbers here end with 0. The two numbers will be changed. Here see that? Here 1 we write. 2 before number what? 9. The 0 will be changed as a 9. No? Same as it is like this. See here. The 30 before number. See the 30 before number. Here 3 before number. What is there here? 2. No? 2. The 0 will be changed as a 9. No? 30 before number what comes? 29. 30 before number what comes? 29. No? Like this. See here. This one. 40. Here no? This 40 also and with 0 no? Next. Here the two numbers will be changed. No? 4 before what number? See here. 4 before what number? 3. No? 3. The 0 will be changed. 9. Like this. Here you write no? 0. 10 before number 9. No? Like this. 20. Here 2 before number 1. You write here 1. And 0 will be changed as a 9. Like that. Next. See here. 50. 50 before number? The 5. Here the 5 before number what? 4. And 0 will be changed as a 9. Like that. No? See here. 60. 5 before number? 6 before number? 5. The 0 will be changed 9. No? Like this. The 60 before number? 59. Once I will explain you. No? See the before numbers. You know the single digit numbers. No? 8 before you write as a 7. Here 2 before. 8 before what number comes? 7. You write 7 here. The 2 before number what number comes? 1 you write like this. Now here I will give as the 2 digits number. The 10 after what? 10 is the 2 digits. The 10 after all the up to 99. We get the 2 digits numbers only, no? So here like this. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. And up to 99. We are the 2 digits number only. Thus here I will give as a 2 digits number. Here 13. No? In this 13, the 13 before number what comes? No? First you write 1 as is 1 here. And the 3 before number what? Already you know. 3 before number. So previous number. Yeah, it's a 2. So you write here 2. So 13 before number what comes? 12. Now here like this 16. 16 also like this only. Write the same number 1 here. Then here the 6. The 6 before number what? 5. So you write here 5. Next here 18. 18 the same number you write like this 1. Then here the 8 before number what? The 8 before number 7. So you write 7 here. But here they are giving as a 0. Here the 0 means the except these numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. The numbers end with 0. The two numbers will be changed. These two numbers, see that? These two numbers will be changed, no? Here there is changing? No. Only the except these numbers only. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The ends with 0 numbers. The two numbers will be changed. Here 2 before number 1 and 0 will be changed as a 9. See this completed. This one only repeat like this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Again 9, 8, 7, 6. This format you have to keep in your mind. You will be easily identify what's the before number. Okay na? See there. Here I'll give the 30. The 0. The 30 ends with 0 number. No? So here the two numbers will be changed. The 3 before what's number? Now we are going to after numbers. Now, children, after numbers you can easily identify. No? See there. 3 after. after. Here, see here. 3 after what number? 3 after? 3 after 4. 3 after 4. Is it? One digit numbers only, no? Next. 6 after. 6 after what number comes here? 7. 7. 1 after which number comes? 2. 1 after 2. Yeah. 0, 1. Yeah. 0 after what number comes? 1. 0 after 1. Like this, these are all the one digit numbers. Now, here I'll give the 2 digits number. What is the number? Here, what is the number? 16. Yes, it is. 16 you write as a 1 as the same like that only, no? Then 6 after what number? 6 after 7. 6 after 7. So 16 after what number comes? 16 after what number? 17. 16 after, see there? 16 after what number? 17. Here is the 16 after 17 you write, no? Now 14 after. What number comes 14 after? Right, as it is 1 like this only. No? Here 4 after what number is there here? 4 after 5. So 14 after what number? 14 after what number comes? 15. No? 18. See there. As this one you write like this only, no? Next, 8 after what number here? 8 after what number comes? 9. 8 after what number comes? 9. So, 18 after which number comes? 18 after which number comes here? 19 only, no? 19. 18 after 19. See here, 23 like this. I'll give 23. Here, 23. The same number you write like this, 2 only. Here, 3 after what number comes? 3 after which number comes? 4. So, 23 after what? Which number comes? 24. 23 after 24. Here, 31. 31 after which number comes? Here the 3 you write same as it is. Next, 1 after which number comes? 2. So, 31 after which number comes? 31 after 32. No? I'll give one more example. 35. No? Here. Here the same number 3. 6 after, 5 after which number comes? 5 after 6. So, here 35 after which number comes? 36. And you see here, no? 3 after 4, 6 after 7, 1 after 2, 0 after 1. Here, these are all the one digit numbers. Here I will give as a 16, 2 digits number, no? The 16 you write here and 16 after which number comes? The same as this before, how you learn, no? Like this, no? The same number you write 1 and 6 after which number comes? 7. So here 17. So 6 after which number comes? 17. 16 after which number comes? 17. Next here I'll give 14. The 14 after which number comes? The 1 you write as same as it is, and here 4 after which number comes? 5. No? So you write 5. 14 after which number? 14 after 50. Next. Here 18. See that 18. 18 after which number? As this 1 you write like here, and 8 after 9. So 18 after which number? 19. Like this 23. 23 after the same number you write here, and 3 after you write 4. So 23 after which number? 24. Like this you write, no? Now I'll give here 19 after. Here, see it. 19 after. Here. This 19 after, like that, there's the same numbers you write like that, no? But the except 19. 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69. No? Here you write that the same number here, and here that after number you will be changing. But here there is except 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69. No, these are ends, the numbers which ends with 9. The number which ends with 9. No, see here, then the two numbers will be changed. Here, the number which ends with 9. These two numbers will be changed. Here, one after what number here? One after 2. The 9 will be 0. And the 9 will be changed as 0. So 19 after, which number comes? 19 after 20. 19 after 20. No? Here, the number which ends with 9, the two numbers will be changed. Here, see the 29. 29 after which number? See, 2 after which number comes? 3. So, the 9 will be changed as 0. So, 29 after which number? 29 after 30. 29 after 30. Right. Here 39 after. 39 after which number comes? No? 3 after which number? 3 after 4. The 9 will be changed as 0. The 9 will be changed as a 0. So 39 after which number? 39 after 40. Like this. The 4 will be changed. The 4 after 5. The 9 will be changed as a 0. 50. 49 after 50. This here. 5 after 6. The 9 will be changed as a 0. 60. 59 after 60. Like this. So 6 after 7. The 9 will be changed as a 0. So 69 after 70. 69 after which number comes? 70. No? See here. After numbers. The after numbers means you are going next number. After number means that the next number only. No? See here. 19 here. The numbers which ends with 9. Now you are writing as the two numbers will be changed. No? So here 1 after 2 and the 9 will be changed as 0. 2 after 3. The 9 will be changed as a 0. 29 after 30. 3 after 4. The 9 will be changed as a 0. So 39 after 40. No? Like that. The after numbers learn. Next one, between. Between number is nothing but the after number. In the middle number. Between numbers. See the between numbers. Between numbers means this is nothing but the after number, the next number. See here. 3 dash 5. Here 3 and 5. Which is the which number comes in between? See the 3 and 5. Here 3 and 5. Which number in between? 4. The 4 means 3 after 4. 9 dash 11. There are given 9. No? 9 and 11 between which number comes? 9. 9 after which number comes? 10. So 9 and 11 in between number is 10. 18, 20. Here I put 18, 20. 18 and 20. Which comes the between number 0 will be changed as a 9. So 18 and 20 between number 19. 18 after 19. 20. Here. 21 after which number? 2 is the same. And 2 after which number? 1 after which number? 2. 1 after which number? 2, no? So 21 and 23 is between number, in middle of the number 22. 21, 22, 23. Like this you learn, no? Before, after, between. No? This concept you have to learn, practice 2 or 3 times. You will be easily identify the before, after and between numbers. See here I am giving one example for you. This last end of the class. End of the class here, see there I give the one number here, 14. And 14 is the middle of the number. 14 is the middle of the number. Here see that 14 before number. 14 before number, the same number will come. Then 4 before number, see the which number comes 4 before? 3, no? This is the before number. It's the middle of the number. 14 is the middle of the number. This is the before. And this is the after. After. See that 14 before 13. Then 14 after number. Same number you write 1. And the 4 after which number comes? 5. No? So the 14 before number 13 is the previous number. Before number means the previous number. And after number means the next number only. No? 14 before 13 and 14 after 15. I'll give one more example. 15. Tomorrow I'll continue for this same topic. I'll show that the interesting topic, no? Interesting videos I'll show you, no? Okay, children. Now today we are completed this now. This same topic continue for the next class. Okay, na children?